Hello everyone, this is Shankar. In this video, I will explain about how to install MLC player. It is best player for the video watching. So VLC for Windows. My OS is Windows, so you can choose. These are the available, right? If available installer, click for installer. So it will move like this. You can click here. You can click here. It will be downloaded. So this link I will provide in description of this video. See, just I click, it is downloaded. Go to this location, cut this. I already downloaded, so I am deleting this. So every software is recommended to install in one folder. So for me, I am installing D drive. In D drive softwares, so every software will be there in D drive. VLC player. This is I pasted here. Download link I will provide in description of this video. Right click. So more options. Run as administrator. You can download either GIF or installer. Say yes. It will open one pop-up. Say yes. Language English. Next. So scroll down. Next. Custom. I'm not changing anything. Next. Where to store this software. I'm saying store in D drive. Program files. Video. LAN. VLC. Install. So this way too we can install the VLC player. It is the best player to watch the videos. So Windows also will provide some default player, but it is recommended to use. So if you want to watch any video, please install this software. It is a free of cost. So run VLP media player. So if you want to start after installation, you can keep it checked. Otherwise uncheck. I am keeping check it. Continue. Yes, this is the VLC player is ready. So if you want to watch any video, suppose in my D drive some videos are there, right click, open with VLC media player. VLC media player
I have
like this we can watch. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.